All right, guys, y'all seen the uh, Ballista bat reverse videos that we've done? I've done one, I've done an unboxing. Bob has done a video where he shot it a bit. Now my brother is going to get his first chance with it. We've got this little squirrel target out of the Tech Pack video, if y'all watch that video, and he's just going to do a short little look at it, tell us what he thinks about it, and he's going to fire.
All right, folks, I did it the first time just to see how hard it would be to pull this back. Just pulling it back, like I said, not hard. I'm going to show you now how the foot control works. Put it on the ground, you step on it. Easy also. I prefer not using the foot. I like just pulling it back. But like, you definitely don't want to put your fingers inside the string with it caught back, even with the safety on. Accidents do happen. And whenever you put it in, you want to keep your fingers on top or below. And then we're going to try a different optic color. Always remember safety, keep your finger off. I mean, this thing has not even been calibrated or sighted in. At 10, 15 foot, I'm still hitting target. I would definitely like to try it a little bit further distance away. We'll definitely have to sight it in, but yeah, I mean, this is just a fun option. I'm not a bow hunter, but I might consider getting into crossbow hunting.